guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. And I want to say thank you so much for my subscribers. Thank you for my friends. Thank you for always checking in on me. I love you all. So today I'm going to make a wig, as you can see, with a fake closure. Yes guys, it's a closureless wig, no closure at all, only wave. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my wig cap here. That is my wig cap of choice, and I'm going to draw in the patterns, the lines where I'm going to place my closure. So guys, as you can see, my hair is colored red and black. I love the colors. So I'm starting with the short, that is the 8 inches. I'll start with the 8 and then go in with the 10 and then 8 and 12. That's how I want my hair to look like. So guys, as you can see, I just pin my wave down from the left side to the right side all around. You always need the pins, guys, and those are the needles I'm going to be using. I have 3 needles, the big one, the slim one, and the curve. I always love to start with the big needle because I will need the slim one at the closure where I'm going to place my closure, you will see. So I pin it down with my heart-shaped pins. I love my pins. With the pins, you can do no wrong with the wig. So guys, as you can see right where my pin is, it's a gap. I leave that gap because I will be working with it later to create my closure. So I'm going to go ahead and sew down the weft now. It's just so easy to work with short hair, guys, because it doesn't tangle. Long hair always tangles when I work with it, and I like to work with short hair, and this is perfect. So guys, I'm just going to keep sewing down and make sure I leave that side part because it is a very important area. So I will just keep sewing back and forth, and I leave the space for the closure. As you can see guys, that is how the hair looks at this stage. And you can see my pattern. That's where my pattern is going to be. That's where I'm going to create my closure, as you can see guys. So now I am going to take my small slim needle and I'm going to sew in this part very close to the waves that I sew already, so that it should look very smooth and nice at that area. So I'm going to go back and forth until I reach the white lines, as you can see on the wig cap, so that I can create my closure. As you can see guys, I just changed my thread and my needle. I'm using a thinner needle and a thin thread. So now I'm going to place the weft down the opposite of the wefts that I sewed before, like 1 centimeters away from the weft, and I'm going to use the thin thread to sew the weft down, but in a very thin way that the thread is almost invisible. So I'm just going to sew it like that on the other side, and then I'm going to sew on this side too. So I'm doing this so that when you flip it over, it will look almost invisible. It will look so natural, and you cannot see the thread. So that's why I'm doing it, and I do it this on this side, and I will do it the same on the other side, and the line in the middle will be the closure. I just finished sewing the frontal. As you can see, that is my closure now. So to make it look more natural, I have to use the crochet, and I'm going to crochet two wefts on each part. I'm going to put it down, put it through, and I pull in the second weft. The weft that I put on the opposite side, I'm gonna pull it through. So I am going to pull the whole weft through to come out on the other side. I pull it through, as you can see, and you have to hold it down so that it should look more real and natural. And you have to do it on both sides. I did it on this side, and I'm also going to do it on the other side, as you can see in the video, guys. So that is my closure. I know it looks a little bit complicated, but it is very simple. You just have to make two lines, and you pull the other line through. Two waves, and you pull the other wave through. As you can see, I just finished with this side. I use my pin to pull it down, to hold it down, to stay straight, because the hair is really like that. If when you pull through a wave, it doesn't stay down, so you have to hold it with something to stay down. As you can see, I'm repeating the same process on this other side, and now my closure is looking more real and natural. So guys, you really need to pull out all of the second wave through. When you pull it through, it will look natural. So it is very important that you should pull it out. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing. I need to pull all of the wave through. And when I finish doing pulling and everything is cute and nice, I will use my heat. When I use my coiling iron or any heat that you have, or you can blow dry it, and you press it to make the closure really stay down, to make it visible, to make the wave to stay, not fall apart. So now my closure is looking all cute and sleek. I use my eyeliner to highlight my line to make sure it looks like my skin, like invisible. Oh god, I love this wig. I love this wig, guys. I like where I am now in my life, so I'm just going to try this wig on. I'm going to try it on because I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time watching me.